What is going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do affiliate marketing. So this video is all about affiliate marketing, but before I get into affiliate marketing, if you are not one of my subscribers, you want to go ahead, click the subscribe button and also the notification bell, because I'm coming out with consistent content teaching you passive income, make money online, and how to create that life that you want without a 9 to 5 job or multiple part-time jobs so that you can make money passively. So if that's the kind of content you like, the kind of content you want to see, go ahead and subscribe. All right. And throughout any point in this video, if you get any kind of value, go ahead and like the video and comment below. I want to hear you guys' feedback. I want to hear what you want to see, what kind of struggles you're having with making money online and making money passively, so I can know what kind of content that you all want and need. Okay. And for this video, I will be selecting a random winner to receive $100 via PayPal. Okay. But I have to get at least 10 comments and at least 20 likes on this video. So if it never happens, then I guess we can't do the drawing. All right. I'm trying to grow my subscriber base. So don't forget to subscribe. Affiliate marketing. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, I'm assuming you do, since you typed it in YouTube and on this video. But just in case you don't and are new to it, affiliate marketing is a good strategy to make money online. Affiliate marketing is where you have someone who builds a product, right? They've built a product that meets a certain need in the audience, right? And an affiliate marketer is the middle person. Affiliate marketer is the person who takes that product, right, and gives it to that specific audience and say, hey, audience, you have a problem. This product will meet the need. Buy it, right? And when that audience buys that product, you get a commission. Okay, it's simple. It's easy. You don't have to follow up with customer service. You don't have to process returns. You don't have to do any kind of customer service day-to-day minuscule kind of work. So affiliate marketing is a great business model if you want to start making passive income. All right. So I'm going to show you a result that I had this morning. I got an email. I was like, oh, wow, I just made $20. I just woke up and I woke up to this email. Okay. And you can do the same thing, whether it's $20 or whether it's $2,000, $2,000 or $200,000. The process is the same. Okay. And if you want to learn in detail and in depth how to start making money with affiliate marketing, check out my link in the description. It will be my #1 source for making a full-time income online. Check that link out and it'll teach you step by step how to create your online business with affiliate marketing. Okay, so let me go ahead and go to my back office of Udemy. Here's my YouTube page. Go ahead and subscribe. I will tell you that constantly about this video so you don't miss out. All right, I don't want you to miss out. So go ahead and do it. The commission that I made was through Udemy. Okay, so Udemy is is a source for solo ads. And if you don't know what solo ads are when you purchased, well, when you pay someone to email your specific offer to their email list. All right, so someone may have a list of people trying to make money online, or someone has a list of people doing fitness, right? And so what you do is you give a seller your link or your information to that product, and they email blast their list your product, right? And then you can get leads. Primarily, you'll get leads that you then can email directly later on. And then sometimes when you email those leads, you get sales, okay? But Udemy also has their own affiliate course, or not affiliate course, affiliate program, where when you refer someone to Udemy and they make a purchase for solo ads, you get a commission, right? And so this morning I woke up to $20.16 worth of commissions. It's still in clearance here because it takes it a while to clear, making sure that after that person has gotten that traffic successfully, because what happens is if someone buys, the person I referred here bought traffic, but the seller who they bought the traffic from, if that person does not deliver, they can get a refund, right? So this $20.16 is waiting for that traffic to be successfully delivered. And once that's done and the transaction is complete, I will get my referral commission. Okay, look, it's $20 just being an affiliate marketer. All I did primarily, this probably was due to one of my YouTube videos when I was going over Udemy or reviewing Udemy, and they clicked my link and they have purchased a solo ad from a seller, and I got a commission off of that purchase, and I got a 15% commission. So 15%, it was probably about $100 maybe that they purchased of solo ad, $100 solo ad, and I got 15% at $100. So guys, look, there's a lot of money that can be made in this business and this affiliate marketing space. But you just need to learn and know how to make money with that. And you can't do it going at it blindly. You need someone to teach you some kind of course, some kind of program to teach and educate you on how to be successful in this space. Look, I spent 4 years in college on a degree, undergraduate degree, over $26,000, which is cheap compared to others. I spent $26,000 learning for 4 years, and I graduated college and did not have anything to show for it. Granted, I was smart and I got a job before a full-time job in my degree, so I was blessed and got a job working in my field. But a lot of people don't do that. So if you can't invest maybe $1,000 into you learning how to create an unlimited amount of income while you sleep, then you don't want it. You have to want it, and you have to take action, and you have to be consistent in this business and affiliate marketing. Look, it pays off. Once you start taking action and being consistent and investing in yourself, it pays off in the long run. So go ahead and check out my link in the description that teaches you how you can start setting up your business right now to start earning potentially huge commissions in the future, right? So that you can maybe pay off that college debt that you paid over 4 years, or buy your brand new car, or go on that vacation you wanted to go on. And eventually you can even quit your 9-to-5 job or your part-time jobs that you have to supplement your full-time income. Look, this business model is legit. It is wonderful. All you have to do, like I said, take action and be consistent. All right. That's all I have for you today, guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you got some value from it, go ahead and like it and comment below. Like I said at the beginning of this, if I reach 10 comments and 20 likes on this video, I will do a drawing for one of those comments to receive $100 in their PayPal account. Okay, but you have to be a subscriber to my channel and comment below. All right, so thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, even if you don't want to get in the drawing. Subscribe. All right, thanks for watching. Bye. Peace.